Good morning, my dear children. Today we are going to start with new chapter of maths, and the name of the chapter is time. Irfan does these activities in a day. What part of the day is it? Wakes up in the morning. So Irfan, he wakes up at 6 in the morning. Can you see? The clock is showing us 6 o'clock. Goes to school in the morning. Then he goes to school. And what is it time? It is 8 o'clock. Studies at noon. What time is it? 12. Has lunch in the afternoon. What time is it? 2. Plays in the evening. What time is it? 5. Sleeps at night. What time is it? 9. So the clock is showing us time, that at what time Irfan is doing what work. At 6 he gets up. At 8 o'clock he goes to school. 12 he studies. 2 he does his lunch. At 5 he plays, and at 9 o'clock he goes to bed. So the day is divided into 4 parts: morning, noon, evening and night. Morning 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 is morning time. 12 noon. Then after 5 evening, and after 9 night. Okay, now come to page number 178. What part of the day is it? The sun rises in the morning. The sun is very hot at noon. The sun sets in the evening. Moon and stars are seen at night. Match the pictures to the correct time of the day. Studying in class, noon. Having breakfast, morning. Having dinner, night. And playing, evening time. Now see, I have made 2 clocks for you, and first you will draw a circle. You will start from 12, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So total number that you will write in clock is still 12 only. Okay, nobody will write 13, please. Okay, and the first clock is showing us time 3, and second clock is showing us time 10. Now minute hand is longer. Minute hand is longer. Can you see this long line? It shows us minute time, and the short line shows us hour time. Okay, for example, if we have to make a clock showing us time 3, so the long clock will point towards 12 and short line will point towards 3. So it will show us time 3 o'clock. In the same way, if we have to show time 10 o'clock, again the longer hand will point towards 12 and shorter hand will point toward 10. Okay, so even you will make clock the way I have made. Okay, now let us read in detail about minute hand and hour hand. We use the clock to tell time. Numbers from 1 to 12 are shown on the clock. So the longer hand is for minute time, shorter hand is for hour time. The longer hand is the minute hand and the shorter hand is the hour hand. The hour hand is at 5. So the shorter hand is hour hand is at 5. The minute hand is at 12. minute hand is at 12, the time is 5 o'clock. In the same way, the hour hand is at 12 and the minute hand is also at 12, so the time is 12 o'clock. There are 24 hours in a day. How many hours are there in a day? 24 hours. Now, see beta, there are two ways of writing time. You can write 3 o'clock or 3.00. In the same way, 10 o'clock or 10.00. Now, I will give you more time to practice. I'm going to give you different time, like 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock. You will make clock and you will set time also. Okay, bye. Have a nice day.